Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change playtime limit on Nintendo Switch 2. To change playtime limit, of course, it has to be first set using the Parental Controls app. Now in the Parental Controls app, as you go to Parental Controls tab, you can click on playtime limit to actually change it here. You can also change the bedtime time. You can also enable or disable suspend software at set time. If that's disabled, then everything that will happen if it's disabled is that a notification will be sent to the parent if the playtime limit was exceeded, and if not, then it'll basically ring an alarm that the playtime limit has finished, and or when it's bedtime, it'll also ring about that. Now I'm also gonna change the bedtime to like a different hour because it's already over 6 p.m. Let's save it now. And now you can also extend playtime limit for the day. If you do that, you can extend it by 5, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, as well as no limit for today. And click on confirm. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.